Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So now I'm sitting on the IKEA office chair, the IKEA Flintan office chair. We recently got this office chair, so I thought I'd share with you how to set up this office chair, and then after that, what is my reviews and thoughts on this IKEA office chair. So after unboxing, we have here the backrest, the seat, the legs, the caster wheels, and there are 5 caster wheels. So now we're going to assemble the chair starting with the bottom, the leg and the wheels. So now here's my review on the office chair. Even on parquet flooring, with the caster wheels, it's very easy to move around. You can easily slide sideways, front and back, and all around. Even at the highest height, at the maximum seat height of about 58 cm, and for someone close to 6 feet tall and have very long legs, you can easily adjust the height. My feet are slightly floating above the ground, and at the minimum height, the lowest height at 45 cm, is still at a good height for me to sit and do my work. And then with the backrest, I have very good support. Back support, I can comfortably recline my chair, and I actually have a lot of support at the back, not just on the lower back but also at the upper back to my shoulder. So that's my take on this IKEA Flintan office chair. This chair is the beige color. This version does not come with the armrest. If you specifically want to order this set of office chair, whether with the armrest or without the armrest, whether in beige color or black color, you can use my referral link in the description below to order on Shopee. And when you buy this IKEA office chair, you get a new chair, and then on top of that, your purchase in a small way help to support this channel. And for more videos like this in home and living, I'll put the playlist link above and in the description below for more tutorials and reviews on furniture and items for your home. And before we end today, if you find value from today's tutorial, hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more videos like this in home and living, real estate, finance and investing. And with that, thanks for watching and see you soon.